Students, this is Meta Solutions, our channel. So, in the previous class, we learnt about the values of the standard angles of trigonometric ratios and the relation of complementary angles of the trigonometric ratios. Now, we are going to learn about the identities. Prove the identity. The proofs of identities we have to learn. Now, students, trigonometry means is depend upon the only on right angle triangles only. Here is right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B is 90 degrees, whereas the opposite side of this 90 degrees is called hypotenuse, which is the longest side. Now, in right angle triangle, as per Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now, if you know any two values out of this, you can find out the third one. And then now, you have to find out the proofs of identities. The first proof is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here I am taking theta is here at angle C. Now sin theta, first find out the sin theta. Sin theta is equal to this angle ka opposite side by hypotenuse is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite AB by AC. Now sin square theta is equal to square of this AB by AC is called AB square by AC square. Now cos theta. Cos theta is equal to theta adjacent value, that is BC, adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Is adjacent is BC by hypotenuse is AC. Now cos square theta is equal to square of this BC by AC, that is BC square by AC square. Now as per our theorem theta proof, sin square theta plus cos square theta, add both things, plus cos square theta is equal to AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. Here two fractions in terms of number letters. Now both are same. Here we can write one AC square here. Here directly AB square plus BC square. See, AB square plus BC square as per Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus B square is equal to AC square. So we can write instead of this AB square and BC square is AC square by AC square, denominator cancel 1. Now we have proved that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the main identity. Why I boxed here means, with this main identity we can derive so many sub identities. Now we have to prove the second identity. What is second identity? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. See, sec theta value. Here theta is here, we know. Sec theta means actually cos theta and sec theta are inverse functions. We know cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. Now reverse, ulta, hypotenuse by this adjacent. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Here hypotenuse AC by adjacent BC. Now sec square theta is equal to squaring of AC by BC is called AC by square by BC square. This is the sec square theta value. Now tan square theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. See here, theta का opposite side. This is called opposite AB. AB by BC. That so tan square theta is equal to squaring of AB by BC. AB square by BC square. Now sec square theta minus tan square theta as per this identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to AC square by BC square minus AB square by BC square. Here denominators both are same, so that BC square is the LCM. Same denominators same means we have to add the same numerators. AC square minus AB square, that is equal to, see, our Pythagoras theorem means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AC square minus AB square, transpose AB square this side. So AC square minus AB square is equal to BC square. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can write it AC square minus AB square is equal to BC square by BC square. Cancel 1. This is the second identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. With this also main identity, we have to prepare, we have derived some sub identities on base of this sec square minus tan square theta is equal to 1 by transposing or any other conversions. Now we are going to learn about the third identity. Now third identity is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Now cosec theta is equal to, see, cosec is the inverse function of sine. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, whereas cosec theta is equal to reverse, inverse function, hypotenuse by this opposite, hypotenuse by opposite, that is equal to hypotenuse AC by opposite AB. Cosec square theta is equal to squaring of this AC square by AB square. And now cot theta. Cot theta is equal to, cot is the inverse function of tan. Cot is equal to 1 by tan, tan is equal to 1 by cot. Both are inverse functions. Now tan, actually tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. Now cot reverse, adjacent by opposite. So here adjacent is BC by AB. BC by AB. Now cot square theta, squaring of this BC square by AB square. Now cosec square theta minus cot square theta, subtract these values. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to AC square, this is AC square by AB square minus BC square by AB square. Again same denominators, one term is AB square is the LCM, same we have to copy it here, AC square minus BC square. Now what is AC square minus BC square here? As per Pythagoras, once again, AC square minus BC square, transpose BC square here, you will get this value AB square. So AC square minus BC square is equal to AB square. That numerator we can write it as a AB square. By denominator AB square, cancel 1. Now cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is the third main identity. Now we are going to write all these identities and then conversion of the identities. Now see, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Already we have proved. Now if you transpose cos square theta this side, 1 minus, so sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or see now sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta is equal to, again this is 1 is called 1 square. So 1 square minus cos square theta, that is equal to a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, that is sin square theta. So instead of sin square theta you can write it 1 minus cos square theta, 1 square minus cos square theta. Again split it. Sin square theta is equal to this 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Take sin theta is equal to, here square is there. Now if you remove the square means you have to write here root, square root, that is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is one conversion. Again same here, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Transpose sin square here, you will get the value of cos square theta. Again cos square theta is equal to, this also 1 square, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Cos theta is equal to root over 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. See, like this also we can convert. These are the called conversions. Our second idea is c square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Transpose this minus tan square theta this side. So you will get sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. If you want sec theta is equal to, again remove the square means square root here, 1 plus tan square theta. This is one conversion. And then here directly it is a square, it is b square. A square minus b square is equal to 1. So a plus b into a minus b, splitting. So sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Now if you know this value you can find out this. If you know this value you can find out this. This is very much important. Now you want to find out here sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by, why? Because this whole thing is multiplied here, division, sec theta minus tan theta, or else keep here this one, transpose this side, that side, sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. Like this also we can convert. And one more thing here, coming about the sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now transpose 1 this side, tan square that side. Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. See, I am transposing 1 over here minus this minus tan square theta this side आने के बाद plus tan square theta. Now c square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Again it is a square minus b square. Sec theta plus tan theta plus 1, sorry. Now transpose 1 here, tan square that side, sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. This is a square, 1 also 1 square, a square minus b square, sec theta plus 1 into sec theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. These are the conversions of second identity. Now our third identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Now transpose cot square theta this side, 1 this side, cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. We can write here a square minus b square, cosec theta plus 1 into cosec theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. That also you can write it. And then now here this is a square minus b square, again cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. See, keep this thing here, transfer this side, this value. So this is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by transpose this side, cosec theta minus cot theta, and then you keep this left side, cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by this value, cosec theta plus cot theta. Again here cosec theta minus 1 is cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. This also we can convert. These are the conversion of trigonometric identities. And then students, in your next class we are going to solve the important sums. We are going to solve the important sums in your exercise. And then please do subscribe our channel Metha Solutions, and then like it and share it to your friends, and then hit the bell icon for all, and then you will get all my videos as notifications absolutely free. Thank you.